back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is from Amazon, and it is going to be customer support based. We will just dive on in. Just know if you are interested in applying, the links to this page are in the YouTube description box below this video. So Amazon has multiple product lines, and one of the products they have is a Blink, which is a home security system product. They are hiring a technical customer service support associate for this product line. Now, this is for my United States folks only, and this is remote work from home. But it says you'll support their home security product suite and help customers navigate their own home networking and mobile device configurations. So they are looking for someone to provide prompt, efficient detail service by engaging directly with Blink's customers via phone and email. You'll work with other customer support teams to make sure you have a consistent and high level quality of support. You'll be the voice and advocate for the customers when something doesn't feel right. You'll be helping them understand how to use Blink's products and resolve their issues to maximize their investments. You'll seek solutions to the customer needs, communicating any trends that you notice up to leadership, and you'll also be suggesting solutions on behalf of customer service. So they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They want somebody who has 1 year experience in some kind of technical support, someone who can focus on putting the customer first. They need somebody who has 1 year experience supporting Wi-Fi or mesh networking platforms, which is Linksys, D-Link, Google Wi-Fi, all of those things, and somebody who has 1 year of working support with firewall configurations, parental controls, all of that stuff that comes along with configuring technical devices. And they do want somebody who has experience working with mobile devices and platforms such as iOS, Apple, or Android. Now, if you have a technical background, pay for this position is anywhere from $31,900 a year all the way up to $65,000 a year. Of course, pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience, but make sure you are negotiating that pay if you do get a job offer. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that is okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.